Hi, this is Sheikh Amir and welcome to my video documentary of Pink City, Jaipur. I have visited Jaipur in February 2019 and it was the best eye-catching city I have ever seen. And now I am going to show you the history and the places I have visited in Jaipur. History. In 1876, the Prince of Wales, King Albert and Queen Victoria visited India on a tour. Maharaja Ram Singh of Jaipur painted the whole city pink in color to welcome the guests, as pink denotes the color of hospitality. Jaipur is probably the first planned city of India. It was planned to design in pink color. The city is the mixture and combination of Indian culture and modern experience and known to give unending experience to the tourist as well as localities. Pink City has its own vibes and flavors which blends to perfection and brings a completely different exposure. Jaipur is all about forts, monuments, food, museums, shoppings and many more things. Places to visit. Hawa Mahal. Built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh in 1799, Hawa Mahal is a perfect blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture. The Hawa Mahal was built for the royal women to enjoy festivals and events. It is made of beautiful pink and red sandstone. The structure is in such a way that royal women can enjoy the street view and city life without coming in the sight of public. Its shape is like a crown of Lord Krishna which has 953 jharokas, also called as windows of a 5-story building. This makes it a must-visit place in the Pink City. Jal Mahal, as per the name suggests, is the water palace in Jaipur. Its tropical architectural style with a mixture of Rajput and Mughal structure are just amazing to the human sight. It is located in the middle of the Mansagar lake and it was built for the royal family to go on a summer getaway. The best time to visit Jal Mahal is when it is raining. Amer Fort, one of the most famous fort and palace to visit in Jaipur. It is said that even the attackers did not want to destroy it. The Amer Fort is located on a hill. In the olden days, the Amer Fort was strong defense around the city. The Indian and Mughal blend of architecture is immensely beautiful. Nahargarh Fort, which means adobe of tigers. Nahargarh Fort beautifully displays the unique blend of Indian and European architectural style. It is divided into 9 similar apartments and each of these apartments where I got lost. Tripolia Gate. Tripolia means 3 gates. It was constructed in 1734 by the Mughal Emperor Akbar and gets its name from its 3 archways. It is actually the main entrance to the city palace and Jantar Mantar. Pretty balconies enclosed by jalis, lofty arch and a pillared hall on the left for guards. Albert Museum Hall. The building gets its name from the Victoria and Albert Museum in London, the inspiration for its design. The exquisitely built Albert Hall is housed in the center of Ram Nivas Garden. The museum displays a wide range of metal objects, wood crafts, carpets, metal sculptures, arms and weapons, natural stones and ivory goods, crystal works and oil paintings. Statue Circle. A life-size white marble statue of Savai Jai Singh II, the founder of Jaipur, stands tall in the middle of the circle in the sea scheme area. Erected in his honor, the statue pays homage to the founder of Jaipur. Street shopping. Rajasthan is famous for its traditional jutis, colorful ghagras and the beautiful jholas with small mirrors stitched to it. So, to get the best of these, do shops in places like Johari Bazar and Bapu Bazar. Johari Bazar. Johari is a Hindi word meaning jeweler. Johari Bazar is famous for its fabulous collection of jewels with gems and other semi-precious stones, and the bazaar is full of its vendors. Jaipur enjoys a good reputation for jewelry and it is one of the most active jewel market of the world. Bapu Bazar, with its huge variety of Rajasthani items, has made itself the ultimate shopping destination in Old Jaipur. Shoppers can buy a huge number of traditional products, leather belts and footwears, perfumes and products made from camel skin and handicrafts. Local specialities like Lehriya dupattas and saris or traditional tie and dye clothing can be reached out in Bapu Bazar and Chaura Rasta. While shopping in Bapu Bazar, you will also have the chance to witness the pink in the Pink City. The movies showed the beauty of Jaipur. Mughal-e-Azam 1960, Rang De Basanti 2006, Jodha Akbar 2008 and Bajirao Mastani 2015. As there is no direct transport connectivity between Aurangabad and Jaipur, the cheapest way to reach there by train via Mumbai is around 2105, by bus is around 1800, by flight is around 6000. As a tourist in the city, it is always considered to explore the city as a local, but in the end it becomes too messy.